Hi everyone! In this video, we're gonna tackle the mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete random variable. But before anything else, let me introduce myself first. My name is Jasmine Mabe. I'm a Bisamis from BSc 2K, and this subject is Math 233 or Engineering Data Analysis. So first that we have here is the mean of a discrete random variable. The mean is the value that is expected to occur per repetition on average if an experiment is repeated a large number of times. So the mean, it is denoted by the symbol mu, or yung formula niya ay summation of x times p of x, wherein this x, it is the value of its random variable x. And then yung p of x is its corresponding probability. So the mean is also called as expected value or e of x. Next one, we have the variance of a discrete random variable. The variance naman, it is the measure of the dispersion or variability in the distribution. So variance is denoted by the symbol sigma squared or v of x. So yung formula niya is e times x minus mu quantity squared or summation of x minus mu quantity squared times p of x. Si variance naman, tinatawag din natin siyang population variance. So next we have the standard deviation of a discrete random variable. The standard deviation measures the spread of its distribution. And in the variance, di ba, we have sigma squared. Si standard deviation naman ay dinedenote ng symbol na sigma or simply yung square root ng variance. And in formality, yung formula natin ay square root of the summation of x minus mu quantity squared times p of x. So para mas maintindihan pa natin ang mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete random variable, let's try to answer this problem. A corporation is planning to market a new product. According to the analysis, it will earn an annual profit of 4.5 million if this product has a high sales. It will earn an annual profit of 1.2 million if the sales are mediocre, and it will lose 2.3 million a year if the sales are low. The probabilities of these three scenarios are 0.32, 0.51, and 0.17 respectively. Let x be the profits, create the probability distribution of x. And for B, calculate the mean and standard deviation of x. So as you can see here, we have two questions. We have question A and question B. So first, isolve muna natin yung question A, which is, ang hinahanap dito ay yung probability distribution of x daw. So, for this one, yung random variable x daw natin ay yung mga profits. So, we have here 3 profits. We have 4.5 million, 1.2 million, and 2.3 million. So, since meron na tayong values for our random variable x, ilalagay na lang natin sila sa probability distribution natin. And for that, let's create our probability distribution. So, we have x and our f of x. And then, ilagay na natin sila dito. So, for the first one, it says that it will earn an annual profit of 4.5 million if this product has a high sale. So, ibig sabihin, mag-gain daw yung corporation. So, ilagay na natin 4.5. So, next, it will earn an annual profit of 1.2 million. So, lagyan lang natin ulit siya. For the last one, it will lose 2.3 million a year if the sales are low. So, ibig sabihin, maglo-lose daw yung corporation ng 2.3 million if the sales are low. And hindi natin siya pwedeng gawing positive since hindi naman magigain yung corporation. So, let's denote it as negative 2.3. For the next one, kukunin na natin yung corresponding probabilities nila. And since dito sa problem na to, meron ng given probabilities which are 0.32, 0.51, and 0.17 respectively, lagay na natin sila sa ating probability distribution. So first, we have 0.32. Next, we have 0.51. And last one, we have 0.17. So, yan ay magiging probability distribution natin. And lagyan lang natin ng line. So, ito na magiging total or final answer natin for our question A, which is the probability distribution of X. Next, let's find the mean, sabi dito, and the standard deviation of X for our question B. So, first, kunin muna natin yung mean. So, the formula of mean is mu is equal to summation of X times f of X. So, yan siya. And then, itong x na to, this is the value of our random variable x, and then itong f of x is its corresponding probability. So, kukunin lang natin yung sum nila. So, for the first value of x, we have 4.5, and i-multiply natin yun sa corresponding probability niya, that's 0.32. So, yan. And then, since sabi dito ay summation, pag-a-addin natin silang lahat. So, for the second value, we have 1.2. And yung corresponding probability niya is 0.51. So, next, plus, last one, we have negative 2.3. And multiply to 0.17. So, yan na. So, pag in-input ninyo to sa calculator ninyo, ang lalabas na value ay 1.661 million pesos. So, ito na yung magiging mean natin or yung answer natin for our mean. Next, we will get the standard deviation. And yung formula for our standard deviation, that's sigma is equal to square root of summation of x squared times f of x minus mu squared. So, ito yung magiging formula natin. But before anything else, kuhanin muna natin yung value nitong summation of x squared times f of x. And para makuha natin yon, ang gagawin lang natin ay i-square natin to ng bawat value ng random variable x natin and i-multiply natin siya sa corresponding probability nila. And kukunin natin yung sum nilang lahat. So, first we have 4.5 squared times yung probability niya, that's 0.32. So, ayan yung probability niya. And then, plus, ano ba yung susunod? We have 1.2 squared times yung probability niya, that's 0.51. Plus, again, negative 2.3 squared. And, multiply natin siya sa 0.17. And kapag kinuha ninyo yung value nito or kinumpute ninyo sa calculator ninyo, we will get 8.1137. So, yan na siya. And then, substitute natin sila sa ating formula for our standard deviation. That's sigma is equal to square root of the summation of x squared times f of x. That's 8.1137 minus mu squared. So, ano ba yung mu natin or yung mean natin? That's 1.661 and i-square natin siya. So, ito na yung magiging standard deviation natin. And kapag kinompute nyo ito sa inyong calculator, you will get 2.314 million pesos. So, meron na tayong value for our mean. And this is our value for our standard deviation. So, that's how you solve for the mean and standard deviation of x. So, that's our example number 1.